Recently, something bizarre has happened in the universe. Astronomers, using the Hubble telescope, discovered an aging, dying star that, defying all logic, is madly racing in one direction across the cosmos. Can you believe that? So where exactly did it come from? And where is it headed? This runaway star is named Joseph. Although it is quite old, what's truly astonishing is that it's racing through the universe at an incredible speed of 17,800 kilometers per minute. That's 112,000 meters per second. Isn't that speed just jaw-dropping? But what comes next will surprise you even more. As Joseph races madly through space, it actually leaves behind a long trail, like a tail, stretching an astonishing 17 light years. The reason for Joseph's wild dash through the universe remains unknown. Astronomers only confirm it is nearing the end of its life. Scientists also found that Joseph is incredibly massive, so large it could contain several million Jupiters, yet its mass is only 1/3 of Jupiter's, proving that age brings wisdom. Although its body has long been completely hollowed out, leaving behind only a shell, Joseph is actually a red supergiant. This is a star's final desperate struggle before its death. Although all the energy fuel inside it has long been exhausted, and only an outer shell of gas remains, its long tail streaking across the vast cosmos continues to emit light. Astronomers say although it is only 276 light-years from Earth, it is invisible to the naked eye. Only when a flash explosion occurs in its core, brightening it, can humans see it. Because it is unstable during its transformation, it could change at any moment. In the end, it will die and become a white dwarf. So, where did it come from? Will our solar system end up like it in the future?